everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add transitions to your videos using CapCut on PC. Let's get started. First, add the videos you want to work with to the timeline in CapCut. To add transitions between these videos, simply click on the Transitions option located here. CapCut offers a variety of transition options for you to choose from. Hover your mouse over each transition to preview how it will look in your video. Explore the different transitions available and select the one that suits your video best. To apply a transition, either click on the transition and drag it down between your two video clips, or choose the transition and click on the plus icon. You'll notice a gray box appearing between the two video clips, indicating the transition. Play your video to see the transition effect in action. You can adjust the duration of the transition by dragging the gray box, or by adjusting the duration settings. If you want to change or remove a transition, simply right-click on it and select Delete. Then, choose another transition from the options available. If a window pops up asking you to create duplicate frames for a transition, just click OK. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.